Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm beginning to start a new hobby, and I think I'm going to find this interesting. Now, this new hobby required me to buy some new tools. So one of the new tools I'm going to show you is the first thing I bought for this hobby. And this could be used for several different things: woodworking, metalworking, just whatever. So let me pause this and I'll get back with you. If you've got any questions or concerns, shoot me an email, scrollsoftvideo@gmail.com, or leave a comment in the section below. And I'll be right back with you. Here's the first thing I bought from my new hobby. This is a portable small spray booth. Now, I did purchase this off eBay, and the price was approximately $60 with shipping. You see it's very, very light. Real small frame. Let me show you how this thing works. Now, I apologize if I get in the way of the camera. I'm going to try to set this up the best way I can. You notice at the bottom, just flip open this little, right here. This comes up. Then the bottom will unfold, such as this. Move this back a little bit. Flip out these sides. And these little side panels will hold up the lid. Has little notches right here. And these will fold up to hold the other part of the lid. And it also comes with this little turntable. Nice little turntable here. Now on the inside, this filter is removable, and you can get replacements for these, or you can go down to your local hardware store, get a bigger sheet and just cut it to size. Just pops right in. Okay, on the side over here has the off and on switch, and this is where the cord is stored. Just pulls out. You can push the button and it retracts. Nice feature. Another special thing about this spray booth, this is the I'll call it the exhale port, or the exhaust. I guess exhaust is the proper name for it. There's some accessories you can put on here. First of all, it comes with this piece. You can just screw it to the back right here. It has this expanding pipe here. So this pipe comes with this rubber piece right here. So this rubber piece will go onto here. Like so. And then the rubber pipe will connect to the expanding hose. Nice tight fit is what you need on here. So once you get this set up, it comes with this little piece, which also connects to the expanding pipe, and this will fit in your windowsill. So you can vent this outside if you have a window nearby. Also included is this like maybe 4-inch, 5-inch radiator clamp to hold things together. But anyway, I thought those accessories were a good feature on this thing. I'll turn this back around. I like this thing. So I'm going to show you how quiet this is. I'm going to open this door right here. Pull out this hose. Pull out this cord. Go ahead and plug this thing in up here on top. This is how quiet this spray booth is. Let me grab a piece of paper over here. You may be wondering the suction or the CFM on this. Plenty big enough to hold this paper onto the filter. So for a small portable paint booth, I think this is going to be ideal for what I need. Like I said, you can find these on eBay. Amazon has them. I got mine for approximately $60 with shipping. Be careful if you decide to get one of these, because some models do not come with the hose accessories that connect to the back. Anyway, I think this is going to be pretty good. If you have one of these, I'd like to hear your opinion on it. Leave a comment in the section below. I do appreciate you watching.